Hey Diamonds, it's Jamequa Stevens and welcome to my channel where I show you the ins and outs of what it means to be an entrepreneur. If you're returning to my channel, thank you. If you're new to my channel, welcome. Make sure you subscribe and hit that bell to get notified every time I upload. And in today's video, I'm going to show you how you can print your shipping labels on PayPal using your Rollo printer. In my last video, I showed you why I only use the Rollo printer for my business. I'll leave a card up here if you haven't seen that video. One perk of using the Rollo printer is that it prints out super duper duper fast, but I did get a comment on YouTube right here, and today I'm going to show you exactly how to do that. So I have my Rollo printer right here and these sticker sheets. Now I got both of these off of Amazon and I'll leave the link in the description box below. Printer prints up to 4x6 sheets. These labels right here I got off of Amazon and they are 4x6 thermal labels. Again, I'll put everything in the description box below. So basically how you do it is you have to go into PayPal and adjust your printing settings. So a lot of people don't know that, but today I'm going to show you exactly how to do it. So let's get right into this video. You want to make sure that you log into your PayPal account. So go to www.paypal.com and log in. So when you get to your dashboard, what you want to do is go to your icon over here and then go to account settings. So account settings is going to bring up this page. All of your account information will be on this page. So you want to scroll down and go to shipping. When you're under this tab, it'll say shipping calculations, shipping preferences. So we're going to update our shipping preferences. As you can see here, it says labels. So that's what we're looking for. So we're going to go to update. So it's going to bring up this page right here, and it's going to have the categories ship from, which will be your address, shipping carrier, and return shipping label. So we're going to go under shipping carrier and we're going to change the printer type. So when we change the printer type, it's going to bring up different printers, and you can see that there are several different printers. Laser inkjet printer is just like a regular printer. Then they have Brother printers, the Dymo printer, Pitney Bowes, and then Zebra printers. What you want to look at is the size of paper that your labels will be printed on. So like I said previously, the Rollo printer prints on 4x6. So all of these right here are 4x6. I did try to use this first setting and it didn't work. So I just went ahead and used this one. And that's the setting that my Rollo printer uses to print my labels off of PayPal. So once it's time for you to print your label, you hit print and then it'll automatically format into 4x6 because this is your PayPal settings. So you don't have to do anything extra but hit print and then print your label out, because these are the default settings whenever you get a new order. And then you want to go ahead and put save. So yeah, it's that simple. That's how you can print your PayPal labels straight to your Rollo printer. It saves time in your business, so you won't have to copy and paste or screenshot and put it somewhere else. Although PayPal doesn't have your exact printer, as long as the dimensions are the same, you can print from PayPal to your Rollo printer. Glad I can help you all with this question. If you have more questions, please leave it in the comment box below. Don't forget to comment, rate, and subscribe, and I'll talk to you loves later. Bye.